Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the important forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound USD and USD Canadian Dollar. Okay. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCAD for 1st March 2021 Monday. So this video is for today only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So you can see the right now market is trading at 1.26947. Let me take the pencil. Right now trading at 1.2694. This is the level right now market is trading at. You can see that I have marked down few levels on the screen. And I'll tell you that you should only go for a buy order only above this level. Okay. You can see that there is a good amount of resistance available at 1.27467 level. Okay. In fact, rather this is the whole resistance zone. Okay, this is the resistance zone. Okay, and again this is also the no trading zone for you. Okay, so you should only go ahead and initiate a buy order above this level. Okay, above this level. So wait. So you should go ahead and go for a buy order only above 1.2770. Okay, this is the level. Okay, before that level there is no position or no safe position that will match your risk to reward ratio. Okay. You can see the right now market is showing some price rejection from below, but this is against the discipline, and we all know that there are plenty of opportunities in the market, but if you want to make money on a consistent level, then you should stick to your discipline. Without discipline you cannot make money, and it is better to trade from level to level. In fact, actually I'm a trader who trades from level to level, so my analysis are also based on level to level trading. Okay, so I'll say that you should only go for a buy position only above 1.272770. Okay, because there is a good amount of resistance available here. Once the price crosses this level, okay, then wait for the market to settle above the level. Wait for the market to trade comfortably above the resistance level. Wait for the market to wait for the market for the resistance become the support. Okay, let the resistance shift itself to the support. Okay, then only you should go for a buy. Okay, and if you go for a buy, then your first target will be 1.2843. This will be your first target. Okay, and in case market fails to cross this level, okay, this level, and comes down again, and if you spot some good reversal sign, suppose market goes up and after hitting 1.27467, this level, after market hitting this line, if you see that, okay, sellers have become very aggressive and they have started shorting the market, or they have started selling. Okay, then you can short the market. Okay, then you can easily short the market if you see some good selling pressure after price rejection. And in case you find the market at this level of 1.2480, this level, then there's a high chance that market will bounce from here. In case market bounces from here, you can buy. In case you see that, okay, the candles are not that convincing, if you see that, okay, there is not much power present from the bulls, then avoid it. Okay, avoid it. So only buy if you see some good reversal at this point. And okay, and if you spot some heavy price rejection from above, if you see that sellers have started selling heavily at this level, then you can short the market here. But it should be supported by the volume. Okay, volume is required. and or let the market cross this level. Okay, sorry about the line, bad drawing in line. Let the market cross this level, then only go for a buy order here. So kind of critical with US dollar Canadian dollars chart. Okay. So this is the analysis of this pair for Monday 1st March 2021. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So tomorrow I'll see you again with tomorrow's market analysis. Okay. So till then, good luck and bye bye. And if you wish to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.